For today's comparison, we have a Huawei Nova 10 Pro versus the Huawei Nova 9 Pro. Now let's begin with the screen. So screen type, you're looking at both OLED display. And refresh rates, both are 120 Hz. Brightness are the same also. And pixel density, just 10 pixels more in the 10 Pro. The resolution, they're fully HD, but I'm not sure why Huawei keep on use this weird resolution type. Screen size, you get in a bigger upgraded screen. That's a 6.78 inches. And the protection, both are glass, they're hardened glass. Performance. So the processors, they're using a 2.42 processor. That's 60% when compared to other processors. The chipset, that's a Snapdragon 778G. Chipset, they can be configured in many different ways. GPU is 52% compared to other GPU. That's normal looking graphics anyway. System, both 4G. Neither of them support Google Play service. And battery getting an upgrade, 4500 milliamp. And fast charging, both using a 100 watt fast charger. That's charged within full charge within 20 minutes. Camera. Well, the main camera is a slightly bit of upgrade for low light. The depth and the macro lens, it can be used in the 10 Pro. Macro, they are slightly phasing out macro lens in device now. 4K video recording up 30 frames per second. Selfie camera, slightly bit of upgrade, even though the ultra wide is downgrade for the megapixel. Selfie video both can record 4K. Now for storage. Memory card, neither supported. And the UFS, this due to the chipset, as I said, it can be configured in many different options. And the RAM, they go up to 8 GB of RAM. And internal storage, both use a 256. There is also a 128 version. And for design, well, it gained more weight in the new 10 Pro. Remember, you're getting a bigger battery. Water resistance, there is no IP rated, but they are splash proof. An earphone jack, neither of them supported. Same for radio, there's no radio in neither of these devices. And NFC, yes, in both. Fingerprint sensor there in the display. Bluetooth version 5.2. The new design of the 10 is really nice. Well, the price value or upgrade is not that bad. So the winner go to the Huawei Nova 10 Pro. Both devices use the same screen. It has a better performance, better camera. Both devices use the same storage, and it has a better design. Comment below which video you want me to do next. See you in the next one, guys.